Hello everyone, Quamel's Fan Channel here, and today is trash day. So I went to take out the trash, and across the street, I seen this ceiling fan. And I always wanted a Hampton Bay Huntington. It came with this mounting. I would have flush mounted it, but the screws would not come out. Now this fan is a quick connect fan, where you can like clip on the blades and everything. But nobody really likes these fans because like they warp easily. And there's actually a lot of people who love these fans. But anyways, I'm one of the people who love the fans. Alright, here's low. It did not come with its pull chains. And high speed was the only speed I tested this on before I started the video, so I have no idea what the other speeds are like. This fan has a back capacitor, so I can see how it was replaced. I'm gonna infer that was replaced by a Glendale because right beside this fan it was a Glendale box. Let's go ahead and move on to, oh my god, it's so hard to get the chain. I'm gonna have to stop the fan and try to get the chain. Alright, let's go to medium. It was raining too, so the blades are in bad shape. Wait, is this medium? Let me see. Alright, that was medium hard. Alright, so we're back at medium speed. Alright, so it's speeding up a little bit. Alright, let's go to high speed. I'm gonna pause. It's starting up on high speed. I really don't see a difference between high speed and medium speed. It's just like a tad bit faster. And it wobbles just a little bit. Yeah, so this is all high speeds giving me. So when I replace the capacitor, I'm gonna make a new video to update you guys. Alright, thank you all for watching.